Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me on the channel. Things are starting to get moving in the markets again now finally after such a long time, so thank you all for coming back and joining me here for a quick look today at Verasity on the daily time frame. Really appreciate all your support as always. As we can see for Verasity then, it is continuing to move up towards my technical target of that 2 cent level here at the 618 Fibonacci. You can see we've got up to around, what is this, a swing high of around 9th of a cent there for Verasity, after getting just above this 0.38 Fibonacci around an 1/8 and a 1/3 of a cent there. Ridiculous, these small numbers, aren't they, to be fair? But you can see quite clearly, obviously Veracity's still got this technical target after this pump here. We made around a 5x move, big coiling, consolidating, descending wedge formation with a bullish breakout target up towards that 2 cent level, I should say, sorry, up here, which is pretty, you know, we are starting to make our way up towards that now. You see here we've got the breakout, came down, had a little bit of a back test of that 0.23 level, and now we've ran up to the next Fibonacci level where we're finding a little bit of resistance right now, but really nothing too major in my opinion. You can see we're just making a little bit of bullish market structure in my opinion. Everyone freaking out because Verasity had a red day. Everyone's going, oh, it's a scam, blah blah blah. People get way too emotional in the markets. You can see here, obviously just a little bit overextended, coming down, touching support before it'll probably head up again to the upside. You can see on the hourly time frame even more obviously what's occurred here. We've basically just come back down and back tested, had a nice bit of bullish market structure, come and made a new local swing high here, head it into resistance. As you can see, it's tried to push up above this level 3 times here, each time getting rejected, and now coming down for a little bit of a deeper back test, with basically the charts looking like they are essentially just, you know, having a little bit of a overextended in that local area. It's pretty obvious, isn't it? You can see just coming up into resistance, and now we'll probably backtest support like this and then continue to the upside. In the short term, Verasity looking like it's just doing what it needs to do. Long term, obviously, as I always say, looks very bullish indeed. These long term time frame goals, depending on the tokenomics, continuing to get updated as well. We could be looking at Verasity having a very nice bull market going into the next few years indeed. But right now, just looking like it's basically just breaking out of these resistances that it's been under for a while. You can see the first bear market resistance was broken here, and now this is the second resistance that we created, cleanly broken out of that as well. And now really looking like we've just got the very simple backtest, extension, backtest of this huge channel. And now really we are looking for that bull market going into, as you can see here at the bottom, going into the bull market probably halfway through next year, hopefully heading up into these areas where we'll be heading up towards the all-time high, and then early 2025 and halfway through 2025 looking at some peak prices, hopefully in this area up here at around 50 cents to $1. And that is really all there is to it, to be honest. All you have to do really, in my opinion, when there's a bull market, you just buy quality altcoins that you believe in, and you just wait until you know, basically can't justify holding on to those profits any longer. Not financial advice, of course, but we've seen it happen time and time again, and people do make lots of money from these markets. So let's see what happens next. Really excited to see the next bull market, position myself accordingly, and I will be keeping you updated on the charts throughout these next few years. So thank you very much for watching as always. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, check back every day for a new video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.